Welcome back. Public have to be the ears and eyes of police. Public participation is very important in police network. Goa's new IGP Sunil Garg spoke while on his visit to Panji police station on Thursday. IGP said drive against crime and criminals will be tightened. He also alarmed police to use mobile phones only during extreme emergencies while on duty. IGP Garg said police stations will be modernized as the force requires improvisation. Sunil Garg has taken over as the Goa IGP after former IGP Sanjay Singh was transferred in January 2013.
पब्लिक से रिक्वेस्ट है कि सारा ये हमें सहयोग करें, पुलिस के आईज और ईयर्स बने, कान और आंख बने, कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन वो बताए हमें, कहीं लॉ एंड ऑर्डर हो तो उसमें हेल्प करें, तो इससे और हमारा काम बहुत इजी हो जाए. वी आर रिक्वेस्टिंग द मार्केट एसोसिएशन टू इंस्टॉल CCTVs in their areas and simultaneously we will monitor those CCTVs camera if required. जो पुलिस सिपाही जो पिकेट ड्यूटी पे हैं या ट्रैफिक का कंट्रोलिंग ड्यूटी पे हैं, उनको हमने सबको इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया है कि जब ड्यूटी पर हैं या VIP मूवमेंट चल रहा है या लॉ एंड ऑर्डर चल रहा है तो मोबाइल फ़ोन को यूज़ नहीं करें, मोबाइल अपने जेब में रखें. एक्सट्रीम इमरजेंसी केस अगर आता है तो वो उसको शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए अटेंड कर सकते हैं. मॉडर्नाइजेशन करेंगे, कम्युनिकेशन का है, वायरलेस का है, पुलिस कंट्रोल रूम का है, व्हीकल्स का है. डेफिनेटली विल गो फॉर द मॉडर्नाइजेशन. और इम्प्रूवमेंट की ज़रूरत है, उसमें पब्लिक पार्टिसिपेशन की ज़रूरत है, पब्लिक का सहयोग की ज़रूरत है. क्रिमिनल्स के अगेंस्ट में ड्राइव रिगरसली हम चलाएंगे, उनके ऊपर इतना प्रेशर डालेंगे कि उनको थोड़ा डर होना चाहिए क्रिमिनल को.
4 players, including women Grandmaster Swati Ghate of LIC, are in joint lead after the 7th round of 41st National Women's Challengers Chess Championship at Mapsa. Women International Master Ivana Furtado is leading Goa's hope for a medal as she is currently in the joint 3rd position. The competition is heading for a neck-and-neck finish as 4 rounds remain to be played.
International Master S. Vijayalakshmi of Air India, International Master Nisha Mohta of PSPB, Women Grandmaster Swati Ghate and Women Grandmaster Kiran Manisha Mohanty of LIC are in joint lead with a score of 6 points from 7 rounds. 5 players are in the joint 2nd position with 5.5 points each. Top seed WGM Padmini Raut of Orissa, Nimi George of Kerala, Bala Kandamma, Lakshmi Pranita and Pratusha Bodda of Andhra Pradesh are chasing the top position. Goa's Women International Master Ivana Furtado, Women FIDE Master Riyaz Sawant and Aditi Prabhugaonkar are amongst the 13 players in joint 3rd place with 5 points each to their name. 2nd seed WGM Soumya Swaminathan of PSPB and 3rd seed Goan Ace WGM Bhakti Kulkarni remain on 4.5 points each. Bhakti suffered her 2nd defeat of the championship on Thursday, losing to lower-rated Lakshmi Pranita of Andhra Pradesh in 74 moves. 8th seed Ivana Furtado, however, drew her game with 27th seed WFM Arpita Mukherjee of West Bengal. WFM Riya Sawant defeated Ankita Godpalle of Andhra Pradesh, while Aditi Prabhugaonkar beat Sheena of Kerala. Sham Sundar Fatte for Prudent from Mapsa.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.